In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a hood hinge on a Nissan Sentra. It is located under the hood. Let's get started. First, we're going to open our hood and support it with the hood rod. We're also going to locate whichever side of the hood hinge we're going to do and support it by there too. I'll be using a pry bar. This is so the hood doesn't fall on us during installation. Now I'm going to locate my top bolts. I'll be using a 13mm to remove them. Set it aside. Now that those nuts are off, I'm going to go ahead and work my hood hinge free. So I'll put my support down for now. Hold the hood and put the support back. Slowly lower it down. Take note of where you put the hood. So you can see it's on my rubber molding, so it's good there. Then make sure it's secure. Now for the bottom bolts, I'll be using a 12mm box end wrench. Quick inspection and set it aside. Now for the innermost bolt, I'll be using a 12mm and a ratchet. Break it free. Set it aside as well. Now that the bolts are off, give it a nice twist. We still have one more fastener, so you're going to pick up your hood and move it up along. Make sure it's not on the glass and that it is on the rubber. Now we're going to take this rubber and pry up, releasing it from the clips, setting it aside, and locating this 10mm bolt. We're going to remove it to remove our hood hinge. Hold it down while you remove it. And there it is. Set it aside. Now we can pull out our hood hinge assembly. There it is. Now I'm going to clean the mating surface with some brake cleaner and a rag. And now we can install our new hood hinge. We're going to slide it through. Make sure the hood hinge goes behind this, and we're going to install our bolt. Just going to snug it down. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our 12mm bolts. Hand tighten them first. Let's just make sure that's snug. Same for the outer bolt. Again, make sure it's snug. And make sure your hinge is secure. We're going to reinstall our rubber cover. Again, clean the mating surface. Clip it in. Make sure it's fully inserted. Now we're going to remove our support while holding the hood. Lift the hood up a bit and lift your hinge. Locate the holes and put them in place. Now grab your nuts, hand thread them on. And slowly release. I'm going to tighten these up with my 13mm. I'm just going to time them, make sure they're snug. Now you're going to want to close your hood, remove your hood prop. Make sure it sits flush. And that completes our install. Once you're done, open your hood and close it again. Verify it works as intended. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.